Hello, class, and welcome. Let's tackle this algebra problem. The question asks, if for an integer a, 3x squared equals 2a, then what is the value of the expression, open parentheses, 3x minus a, close parentheses, times, open parentheses, 3x plus a, close parentheses, in terms of a? The key phrase here is in terms of a, which means our final answer should not contain the variable x. Let's see how we can solve this. Our overall strategy will be a two-step process. First, we'll simplify the expression we're given, which is 3x a, 3x plus a. Then, we will use the equation the problem provides, which is 3x squared equals 2a, to substitute and eliminate the x variable. Let's begin with the first step. Okay, for step 1, we need to simplify the expression. When you see an expression like open parentheses 3x minus a, close parenthesis, times open parenthesis 3x plus a, close parenthesis, it should immediately ring a bell. This is a classic pattern in algebra. As you see on the screen, this is known as the difference of squares. The formula is parenthesis a minus b times parenthesis a plus b equals a squared minus b squared. Recognizing this pattern is the key to solving this problem quickly. Now, let's apply this formula. In our expression, the term in the a position is 3x, and the term in the b position is a. So, following the formula a squared minus b squared, we get, open parentheses, 3x, close parentheses, squared, minus a squared. Let's simplify that first term, which is 3x squared. Remember to square both parts inside the parentheses. So 3 squared is 9, and x squared is simply x squared. This leaves us with the simplified expression you see on the screen, 9x squared minus a squared. We've completed the first part of our plan. All right, moving on to step 2. We've simplified our expression to 9x squared minus a squared. But remember, the question asks for the answer in terms of a only. So we need to get rid of that x squared term. To do this, we'll use the equation given in the problem. 3x squared equals 2a. Now we have the term 9x squared in our expression, but the equation we're given is for 3x squared. So how do we connect them? It's quite simple if we look closely. We can rewrite 9x squared as 3 times 3x squared. As you see in the equation on the screen, this sets us up perfectly for the substitution. Our expression is now written as 3 times, open parenthesis, 3x squared, close parenthesis, minus a squared. Since we know that 3x squared is equal to 2a, we can now replace the 3x squared part of our expression with 2a. This gives us 3 times, open parentheses, 2a, close parenthesis, minus a squared. Notice that the x variable is now completely gone, which is exactly what we wanted to achieve. We are at the final step, step 3. All we have to do now is perform the last calculation. Our expression is 3 times 2a minus a squared. Multiplying 3 by 2a gives us 6a. So the final simplified expression is 6a minus a squared. This result matches option D from the choices we were given. And so, we have our answer. The value of the expression is 6a minus a squared, which corresponds to option D. This problem was a great exercise in using the difference of squares formula and then performing a clever substitution. By breaking the problem down into steps, we were able to solve it systematically. Great job, everyone!